Hi and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get ExpressVPN for free. As you probably know, ExpressVPN is a VPN that requires a paid subscription, but it's possible to try it for free for no less than 30 days. I'll explain everything in this video. Important point, everything I'll show you in this video is completely legal. With this method, you can get ExpressVPN for free in a completely legal way. Before I explain how to get ExpressVPN for free, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notifications if you enjoy this type of content. It will mean a lot to me and would help me create even more useful content. So, my method to get ExpressVPN for free is very simple. It involves using the 30-day money-back guarantee. ExpressVPN indeed offers a 30-day trial in the form of a money-back guarantee. This means you can sign up, use ExpressVPN for several weeks on up to 8 devices, and then request a refund. In the end, you won't have paid anything. 30 days, that's more than enough to know if this VPN meets your needs. To do this, you will need a payment method, but don't worry, you will be fully refunded if you request the refund within 30 days of your sign up. Just sign up to ExpressVPN, download the software, and then install it. You'll be charged, but thanks to the money-back guarantee, you will get your money back in full if you request a refund before the end of the 30 days. If you decide not to keep your subscription, you just need to contact ExpressVPN's customer service to request a refund. It's that simple. If you're happy with the service, you can of course choose to keep your subscription and continue using ExpressVPN. That's the idea behind this money-back guarantee. ExpressVPN wants you to try the service risk-free to convince you of its quality and performance. By offering this guarantee, ExpressVPN hopes that you'll enjoy the experience enough to become a loyal user. In any case, I invite you to use this link, vpn-club.com/express, to take advantage of the best current offer on ExpressVPN, which currently includes 4 months free. Note that there is another way to get ExpressVPN for free. The idea is to use their referral program. While it's not a free trial per se, it's an excellent way to access the service at no cost. To do this, you first need to create an ExpressVPN account. Then share your referral link with your friends. When a friend signs up through your link, both of you receive 30 days of free service. The advantage? You can repeat this process as many times as you like, earning 3 months with each referral. If you have many friends to refer, this method can be especially advantageous. Now that you know how to get ExpressVPN for free, let's see why it remains a top choice in 2025 in a market filled with VPN providers. First of all, ExpressVPN excels in security and privacy. It uses advanced encryption and an adaptable protocol compatible with less powerful devices like some routers or old phones. ExpressVPN has undergone several independent audits which confirmed the reliability of its privacy protection commitments. ExpressVPN is one of the most feature-rich VPNs out there. It's a well-designed and highly reliable service. It offers standard features like a kill switch called Network Lock, but also stands out thanks to Media Streamer, a smart DNS tool that enhances the streaming experience. During my test, I had no issues accessing major streaming platforms. For downloading, ExpressVPN proves to be an excellent choice. It supports peer-to-peer connections on all servers, offers good speeds, and includes advanced security features to protect your online activities. During my tests, the performance was satisfactory with stable and reliable speeds. For web browsing, its Threat Manager feature adds an extra layer of security by blocking malicious ads, trackers, and other threats. I'll do a quick demo. Here is the interface. You can quickly connect to a server from this list of recommended locations, or access all locations by clicking here. Let's try it. As you can see here, my IP address ends in .134. It locates me in Marseille, France. I choose a location, Japan for example. I click here. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. And now I'm virtually connected to the internet from Japan. I refresh this page. And now I have a new IP address, which locates me in Japan. It's different from the one I had before. So ExpressVPN has created a secure tunnel between my device and a remote server, and successfully hidden my real IP address. My new IP address makes it appear like I'm in Japan, even though I'm actually in France. So let's say I want to access a service that's only available in Japan. I can now do that. Any website I visit or app I use will think I'm in Japan because I have a Japanese IP address. I've shown you how to connect to a server on the Windows app, but the principle is exactly the same on the macOS, Android, and iOS apps. That's all for today. I hope you liked this video. You now know how to get ExpressVPN for free. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I'll reply as soon as possible. If you liked this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notifications. Thanks and see you next time.